Hey everyone, welcome back to Click Positivity. Today we're diving into one of the most impactful self-help books of all time, Inner Engineering by Sadhguru. What if you could take control of your mind, body and emotions to create a life filled with peace, joy and fulfillment? Imagine unlocking your full potential and experiencing true inner transformation. Sounds intriguing, right? Stay with me till the end, and I'll reveal the key insights from this powerful book. Inner Engineering isn't just a book. It's a journey towards self-mastery, teaching us how to reshape our lives from within. Written by the globally renowned spiritual leader Sadhguru, this book provides practical tools to harmonize the body, mind, and energy for a more meaningful life. In this summary, we will explore the essence of inner engineering, covering self-awareness, the mind-body connection, breaking free from limiting beliefs, and practical techniques for transformation. If you're on a journey of personal growth, self-awareness, or simply looking for inner peace, this video is for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Click Positivity for more self-development and motivational content. Let's begin. Introduction to Inner Engineering. Mastering the self. Inner engineering is about gaining control over your inner world. Sadhguru emphasizes that true transformation comes from within, not from external circumstances. He explains that most people live reactively, shaped by societal influences, rather than consciously engineering their lives. The first step is self-awareness, observing your thoughts, emotions, and energy without judgment. The mind and its role in your life. Your mind is a powerful tool, but it often controls you instead of the other way around. Sadhguru explains that our thoughts shape our emotions, and in turn, our experiences. If you master your thoughts, you master your life. He introduces techniques such as mindfulness, detachment from negative thoughts, and conscious awareness to break free from overthinking and emotional turmoil. Energy, consciousness, and the body. Sadhguru highlights the deep connection between the mind, body, and energy. He states that by aligning these three elements, you can create a state of balance and inner peace. Practices like yoga and meditation help regulate energy flow and enhance consciousness. When energy flows freely, mental clarity, emotional stability, and physical well-being improve. Breaking free from limiting beliefs. Many of us live with conditioned beliefs imposed by society, family, and past experiences. Sadhguru urges us to question these beliefs and embrace our true nature. He explains how letting go of societal conditioning allows us to experience life's infinite possibilities. Freedom begins when we stop defining ourselves by our past and step into the present moment with full awareness. The 7 dimensions of inner engineering. Sadhguru introduces 7 key aspects of inner transformation. Body, keeping the body healthy through proper diet, exercise and yoga. Mind, training the mind for clarity and focus. Emotions, managing emotions to experience joy and peace. Energy, understanding and regulating your inner energy. Consciousness, expanding awareness beyond logical thinking. Relationships, building meaningful and conscious connections. Purpose, aligning actions with your deeper life purpose. By working on these areas, you can transform yourself from within and live a more fulfilling life. Practical tools for transformation. Sadhguru doesn't just offer philosophy, he provides practical methods to rewire your life. Some of these include Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya, a simple yet powerful yogic practice for balancing energy. Daily meditation, cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness. Breath control, using breathing techniques to calm the mind. Living consciously, making intentional choices rather than acting on autopilot. By incorporating these practices into daily life, you can experience profound inner peace and joy. Finally, Sadhguru emphasizes the importance of aligning your actions with your true purpose. When you become conscious of what truly matters to you, every action becomes meaningful. Instead of chasing external success, Inner engineering teaches you how to create a joyful life from within. So, what can we take away from inner engineering? Sadhguru teaches us that true transformation begins from within. By mastering our mind, body, and energy, we can cultivate lasting joy, peace, and purpose. The key lessons from this book include: self-awareness is the foundation of a fulfilling life. Your mind is a powerful tool. Control it. Don't let it control you. Breaking free from societal conditioning leads to true freedom. Practices like yoga and meditation can elevate your consciousness. Aligning with your purpose creates a deeply meaningful life. If you found this summary valuable, let me know in the comments. What's one lesson from inner engineering that resonates with you? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Click Positivity for more powerful insights on personal growth and self-transformation. I'll leave you with a thought from Sadhguru. If you are willing, you can transform your life right now. The question is, are you ready? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.